Let's talk about the D word, deportation. Mass deportation has taken this train full wheel. More than 400 illegal immigrants from USA has been sent back to India, handcuffed, chained, and all the inhumane behavior that could be shown to them has been already plateaued. Mark the date, April 2024. Donald Trump already promised as in election promises that he will be sending all the illegal immigrants back to their countries.
Here's all we're going to do. It's going to be called a Trump mass deportation because we have no choice. Vote Republican and we will begin the largest deportation operation in American history.
And he is, of course, acting left, right, and center already on it. US already sent back all the illegal and undocumented immigrants back to their countries. Incident took the flame and was more worsened when they were treated inhumanly and handcuffed and sent back to their country like this. Aspirants lost the money, not just this, but also the confidence, and they're all shredded after having such an experience when they were not even told what they have done wrong and simply they were chained and sent back to the cargo planes. A clear red flag for all the immigrants, those who are looking forward for a shortcut. We as Indians would like to express our sole empathy for the people who face this disgrace. These are the real examples of people who got trapped in the agencies directly, who could have been guided better for their goals of moving abroad. Worldify would like to extend certain recommendations keeping in view the protocols are getting more stringent day on day. Choose the legal pathway, whatever it takes. Look for the long-term benefit than a short-term pleasure. Listen to this way more carefully. Choose your immigration companion very wisely. Absolute no for shortcuts. Do not involve yourself in any illegal or criminal activity, either in the form of actions or words. Be careful. You have to be very careful when you're in foreign lands. Get your visas renewals done timely in order to avoid overstay. Stay safe, stay blessed. Let's worldify. When we actually respect foreigners so much, we deserve an equal treatment. Comment below your opinion. Do you still feel the government should plead for better behavior during this stressful time for Indians? We absolutely deserve it. Namaste.